Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Zimbabwean politics to understand a growing constitutional crisis. Let's unravel the complex narrative around President Emmerson Mnangagwa's potential third term and what it means for the future of this nation. In Zimbabwe, a president is constitutionally limited to 2 5-year terms. This makes President Mnangagwa's current term his final one according to the law. However, there's a rising tide within his party, ZANU-PF, pushing for what many see as an unconstitutional extension of his presidency. The slogan 2030 va Mnangagwa vanenge vachipo, which translates to Mnangagwa will still be in office in 2030, is gaining momentum at party events. But why is this happening now? Despite Mnangagwa's promises of aligning the country's laws with the constitution after he took over from Robert Mugabe in 2017, critics argue that there's been a lackadaisical approach to these reforms. Civic society organizations like the Crisis in Zimbabwe Coalition have voiced strong opposition, describing the push for a third term as both unfortunate and illegal. They argue that tampering with the constitution to serve political elites undermines democracy and betrays the very charter overwhelmingly supported by the citizens of Zimbabwe. The implications of this political maneuver are profound. Extending Mnangagwa's term would not only contravene the constitution, but also potentially derail the democratic gains made since its adoption. Moreover, civic groups have highlighted an ongoing shrinkage of democratic and civic spaces in Zimbabwe, with little to no political will to promote policies that uphold human rights and the rule of law. What's even more intriguing is President Mnangagwa's own statements. He has publicly denied intentions to pursue a third term, claiming adherence to democratic values and constitutional mandates. Yet, the persistent popularity of the 2030 slogan at ZANU-PF rallies tells a different story. Now let's consider the broader picture. If ZANU-PF, which recently secured a supermajority in Parliament, decides to amend the constitution, they could legally extend Mnangagwa's term without immediate legal repercussions. This move would set a concerning precedent for governance in Zimbabwe, potentially inviting future leaders to manipulate constitutional laws to cling to power. So, what can we expect moving forward? The international community's reaction? The response of Zimbabwean citizens and the actions of other political players within the country will play crucial roles. Will they stand by and watch? Or will they intervene to uphold the constitutional integrity of their nation? Only time will tell. For now, the story of Zimbabwe's constitutional fidelity hangs in balance, and the world watches keenly. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to stay engaged as we continue to explore the dynamics of global politics. Remember, understanding these complex issues helps us grasp not just the events themselves, but also their broader implications for democracy and governance worldwide. See you in the next video.